The Pacific Ocean, a symbol of life and resilience, is facing a silent crisis. Along the California coastline, a surge in domoic acid poisoning is wreaking havoc on marine life, particularly sea lions and dolphins. Hundreds of these creatures have been found stranded on beaches, exhibiting distressing symptoms like disorientation, seizures, and paralysis. This alarming trend signals a severe environmental imbalance with potentially far-reaching consequences. Urgent action is needed to understand and mitigate this crisis before it causes irreversible damage to our marine ecosystems. The recent surge in domoic acid poisoning is a stark reminder of the delicate balance within our oceans. As we delve deeper into the causes and consequences of this crisis, we gain a better understanding of the urgent need for proactive measures to protect our marine environments. This is not just an issue for scientists and policymakers. It is a collective responsibility that demands immediate attention and action. Domoic acid, a potent neurotoxin, is the culprit behind this marine crisis. Produced by a specific type of algae known as Pseudonitschia, domoic acid accumulates in shellfish, sardines, and anchovies, which are then consumed by larger marine animals. Though microscopic, these algal blooms, often referred to as red tides due to their color, have the potential to disrupt entire ecosystems. As domoic acid moves up the food chain, it amplifies in concentration, causing severe neurological damage and even death in larger mammals like sea lions and dolphins. The increasing frequency and intensity of these harmful algal blooms are deeply concerning. While natural factors like ocean currents and upwelling play a role, human activities are increasingly being recognized as significant contributors. Understanding these contributing factors is crucial in developing effective mitigation strategies. While the link between ocean health and human activities is complex, recent research has revealed a disturbing connection between wildfires and the surge in domoic acid poisoning. As wildfires rage across California, fueled by climate change and human actions, they leave a trail of destruction that extends far beyond charred forests. Ash and debris, laden with nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, are washed into rivers and eventually flow into the ocean. This influx of nutrients acts like fertilizer, creating ideal conditions for the rapid growth of Pseudonitschia algae, and consequently, the production of domoic acid. The devastating wildfires of recent years, including the Eaton and Palisades fires, have exacerbated this problem, leading to unprecedented levels of nutrient runoff into coastal waters. This influx of nutrients, coupled with rising ocean temperatures, creates a perfect storm for the proliferation of harmful algal blooms. Devastating impacts on marine life. The consequences of this surge in domoic acid are devastating. Sea lions in particular have been severely affected, with hundreds succumbing to the toxin's effects. Disoriented and convulsing, these animals often beach themselves, seeking refuge from the neurological chaos raging within their bodies. Even if rescued, many are left with permanent brain damage. Dolphins too are falling victim, exhibiting erratic behavior and tragically, often succumbing to the toxin's effects. The current crisis is not an isolated incident. The interconnectedness of our planet's systems means that seemingly disparate events, wildfires, algal blooms, and marine life health, are intricately linked. Recognizing these connections is crucial in developing effective conservation strategies. A call to action: protecting our oceans. The crisis unfolding on the California coast is a stark warning. It highlights the urgent need for a multi-pronged approach to protect our oceans. This includes intensified monitoring of domoic acid levels, continued research into the factors driving harmful algal blooms, and crucially, addressing the root causes of climate change. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, adopting sustainable land management practices, and minimizing nutrient runoff from both urban and agricultural sources are essential steps in mitigating this growing threat. The future of our oceans, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on our collective action. We must act now with urgency and determination to protect these precious ecosystems for generations to come. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now.